Guys, I saw this Logan Paul's podcast, which is called as Impulsive with Sadhguru. And in India, obviously, we know a lot about Sadhguru and his teachings, his program, Inner Engineering. Because in today's age, especially when we're looking at, for example, COVID, uh, people have experienced so many issues by being locked inside a house, not being able to go out, not being able to socialize. Every person reacts differently. So frustration, at times you just feel frustrated. For the first few days it feels okay, but over the period of time it doesn't feel okay, and you don't want to go out. You want to experience life like it was. Many people work really hard all throughout their life, but at the end of it or in the middle of it, they realize that maybe this was not really what they wanted to do. uh, Actually, our education system is not such where we are able to really seek spirituality or discuss and have a counselor by our side where we could discuss what's going on, what do you want to do. We are told that do this, do that, get educated, get good marks, build a career, earn a lot of money, and we feel that this is what the purpose of life is: to get famous, to earn money, to be successful. But ultimately, when you experience these things, when you start really manifesting some of your dreams, materialistic dreams, you start then questioning yourself, but this is not still giving me happiness. And that's where Sadhguru's teaching, Sadhguru's program helps you. Because one, you are able to balance your emotional side with your physical side. We do a lot of programs around fitness, or we have a lot of medications, treatments all around the world, where you are able to resolve a physical disease. But what about an issue which may not be a mental disease, but a confusion, a state of confusion, a state of anxiety, a state of stress? And in this digital world, obviously you can have stress because we are all the time glued to our televisions or our laptops or our phones. So Sadhguru's program actually tells you how to balance your emotional side. It balances your mind with your physical body, and you are able to really see things by going inward. Because whatever confusion you get, all the answers are within. And the expression of anger, because that is also an emotion, and any other expression, whether it's greed, whether it's jealousy, once you start introspecting, once you start meditating, and once you start doing this practice, which is called inner engineering, you are able to see another dimension about life and how uh, everything is your just a manifestation of your perspective. If you change your perspective, if you for example take the responsibility of whatever your environment is, then you would not have an excuse to say that this X person, this X situation was a problem, and what kind of mess God has put me in. Because then you'll be in the control. You will have the choice. You can exercise that choice, and who will do it? That is you. And I really like the podcast where Sadhguru simply says, tells Logan Paul this when Andre asked that the a person like an influencer like Logan Paul with so many followers, what do you think he can do? And any message for him? So Sadhguru said that don't do what others are doing. Find your own limit, which I think is very relevant for him. Because sometimes in the race of YouTube, you want to, and we all know about the forest incident a couple of years back, and how obviously Logan Paul learned from it. And it was very, very great to see the kind of balance he had during the conversation, how he moderated the conversation without even knowing much about Sadhguru. He still managed to moderate it quite well, the conversation, and it was quite balanced in terms of his opinions. While the others, Mike and George, were maybe not able to really get to the core of what Sadhguru was saying, and they must have experienced it for the first time. Because many of the people do get into these kind of debates about religion, about really it's a luxury item. When do you have time? When the normal people are fighting for money, fighting for food, where you have the luxury to get into meditation? But then Sadhguru quite well explained that it's not about the luxury, it's the way of life. And you would not get into that kind of mess if you would have an awareness about the ways of life. The problem is that we don't. So it was really good to see an influencer like Sadhguru on the podcast with Logan Paul. I think if that is the direction people are going in, it's really, really good, because that is needed. That is need of the hour, I would say. And I'm quite impressed by the whole podcast. And definitely a lot of people needed to hear what Sadhguru had to say. And I just want to end this experience sharing vlog by saying one thing which I loved the most, what Sadhguru said. And I've heard it a lot of times, but him saying this in the podcast with Logan Paul did make a lot of sense, and it will impact a lot of people if they interpret it right. I think when he said that if you don't know is a great possibility. Don't spoil or destroy it by believing or assuming stuff. I think it's one of the best expressions, one of the best sayings that I've heard. And the world needs to really ponder a lot on this particular statement by Sadhguru. Just don't believe, just don't assume. If you don't know, work towards knowing it. And that can only be done when you go inward. So yeah, I mean, it was a great session. I just thought, I will give my own interpretation of it. I have my own vlog when I did my engineering program, which is a practice, a method by which Sadhguru teaches you how to really go inward, how to really balance your mind. And it's a very popular practice. It's known as Shambhavi Mahamudra. I did it for about 500 days non-stop. And I did this vlog when I was in 300 days streak. And you may want to watch it with subtitles. It's there in the I button on top right hand corner. If you want to take a look at it, do check it out. And it is in Hindi, but subtitles are there in English. So I guess you will make most out of it. But I'll keep now the content in English for all the people who really want to understand some of the Indian practices. And on this particular channel, I want to really talk about some of the things which move me as somebody who's always seeking. And I would love to take your feedback, and I would love to know from you all what you guys are doing, any related things on this particular subject. You're most welcome to share that in the comments. I would love to know your reaction. So with this, I end this experience sharing vlog. I'll see you again in another one. Cheers and goodbye.